first day staying at the Jungle Boss homestay, and my friends invited me to go out on a motorbike loop through the national park this morning.
Yes, welcome to Phong Nha.
This is the whole crew. Get ready to see a beautiful national park. On our way into the national park, my friend Zui's bike got a flat tire, so I followed him to the mechanic because I needed an oil change too anyways. After riding the 430 kilometers yesterday, I usually get an oil change on the Pink Unicorn every 400 to 500 kilometers. So I figured before we did a loop out in the national park, it would be good to come change the oil, and I would follow him here since he had a flat tire. So it all worked out perfectly. We just made a pit stop on our loop through the national park at this waterfall that we're currently trekking back to. It's like a 1 kilometer hike back to the waterfall, which is called Tak Zo, which in Vietnamese apparently means wind. You hear all the locusts, or no, cicadas. They're so loud. Anyways, we're done at the waterfall now. Hiking back towards the way we came. There's a lake you can go swimming in. Yeah. I think, are we going swimming?
Yeah, swimming.
Swimming time?
Yeah. Oh, Miss Skin forgot in the bike, motorbike.
Forgot something in the bike?
Yeah, I think.
So yeah. So are we going swimming?
Yeah.
So I think we're going swimming now. We just finished up the exploring mission in the forest. It was good. The swim cooled me off, and everyone else I'm sure too. Now I'm feeling way less hot. It's time to hop back on the motorbikes and head to the homestead. Zoom! So after we got back from the adventure earlier, we ate some lunch, and then I took a short little nap and did a bunch of like computer work catching up that I've needed to do. One of my friends here, when we were eating lunch, was like, yeah, after lunch I'm gonna take a nap and then we can go explore some more. And I was like, you're gonna take a nap? And he looked at me and he's like, yeah man, every man has a right to his nap. No one can take that away from me. And I was like, okay man, that's funny. But yeah, I had a big bowl of rice, so it always like makes me sleepy. Some days I actually take a nap, some days I don't. But this is the new room that I'm in. I just moved this afternoon. The other room I was staying in was like a family room that they have here, so it had like a bunk bed and the bed that I was staying in. So now the room I'm in is called the sunset room, because out these windows here you can enjoy a nice sunset behind those mountains. So that'll be nice. Good view for that every night if I'm hanging out in here, which who knows if I'll actually be in here for that. But If I am, it'll be nice. So now I'm going to meet up with my friends at the motorbikes and go head down to this gorgeous river that's in the valley near here. I think we're going to take an evening swim, and I'm not sure what else we're going to get into, but they just invited me to join, so the adventure continues. The storm, though, probably washed up some dirt yesterday.
Yeah.
Nice. It still looks really like clean for some of the water that I've seen in rivers around the country. Looks good. How was your nap?
Oh, very good.
That's good.
I have a dream, and I picking nose, and there was a worm inside my nose. I took it out, and it's still.
I wonder what that means.
I don't know.
Moo! Got some friendly cows down by the river. Hopefully they don't take a poo where I'm getting in at. Woo! Man, it's been super hot here the last 2 days, so swimming is good. Back to the homestay we go to enjoy some delicious dinner. Not sure what we're having, but it's grandma's cooking, so it should be good. Look at this cute little one. High five. Boom! 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 Yeah!